Please open your page. Good morning, everybody, and please open your page number 100 in your Marigold book, The Sheep of the Desert. Please read the story with me. This is a very interesting story, and at the same time, you can also get some moral values from this. Okay. Sheep of the desert. Do you know which animal is called sheep of the desert? I think everybody knows that. This is camel. And who is the king of the yes?
The sheep of the desert.
Yes. Yes, beta Anushri, please tell me any problem?
Cannot see.
Okay, sheep. Yes. Aniruddha Goswami, Oishi Ghosh, Afrin Tamanna. 3 person always. Why you are unmute? Please mute your microphone. So, this is sheep of the desert, and here, king of the forest. Who is king of the forest? Lion. Okay, so let's read the story. Lion, roaringly. I will tell the meaning while telling the story. Again, I will write the story. I write the meaning and difficult word. Please, Dibyanka, please don't send all this picture. So, please listen to me carefully. After that, whenever I will ask any problem, that time you will tell your problem. Who are you? Looking down at the lion. You know that lion is the tall animal. I am the sheep of the desert. Who are you? Don't you know me? I am the king of the forest. Frowning. Frowning means just contract the brow in displeasure. Buru kuchke bola. Okay. Contract the brow in displeasure. So here you call yourself the sheep of the desert. How can you be a sheep? You are an animal. Camel is smiling. Actually, lion cannot think about like Dibyanka. From this time I have muted, I think, thrice. Please don't unmute. So here actually all the animals, all the animals means including human being also, they are blessed with their qualities. Okay, they are blessed with their qualities. So camel is also having different qualities. Lion is also having different qualities, and human being also is having different qualities. So please remember, everybody is blessed by God. So here, how can we be a sheep? You are an animal. Camel smiling, sure I am, but people call me the sheep of the desert. I can walk across the desert, even on a hot afternoon. Do you know the desert? And in our India, Rajasthan, Thor desert is the only desert. And there, only sand and only sand. Not only sand, it's a hot sand in the afternoon and noon. And except camel, nobody can walk on the sand with bare foot. So, and not only that, that they are also scarcing of water. Scarce of water means, scarcity of water means the water, the quantity of water is very less. Okay, so quantity of water is very less. So this camel can live without water and without food for many days. Because that if you go, just if you enter in the desert, you cannot get also food. Some places we can get only water and food. Okay, so here camel is telling that I can walk across the desert even on a hot afternoon. The sand burns, but it doesn't bother me. Bother means affect. And in desert, what happened? Do you know? There is scarcity of water and this noon. So too much hot. And at the night, it is cold also. Okay. And sand, the quality of sand is also, it is just become hot too fast, it becomes cold also too fast. So it's a different type of weather. And the sand burns, but it doesn't bother me. Camel, can you walk across a desert? Lion, blinking. Blinking means moving the eyelids. No, I can't. But I can run in the forest. Camel, with disdain. Disdain means he was thinking that lion cannot do. It is unworthy. Even animal can do that. I alone can run on the sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. 25 kilometers an hour. Lion, wonderingly, how can you do that? How can you do that? Divyanka, please don't do it. My class, please don't record. YouTube class, I am just giving it. Why are you telling like this? Anushka Goswami, why? Please join the class. If you are having any problem, you can also call the school. They will solve your problem. So I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. And how can you do that? Wonderingly, because he's wondered. Sand and also camel can run in 25 kilometers an hour because it's a tall, healthy animal like this. Anushri, why are you sending so many emojis? And Divyanka, no need to. Yes, no land not. There is a land, obviously, but there is sand also. Okay, Dhriti. Look at my feet. They are thick and padded. Last day, no, I told also that how the animals are moving quality. Lions, that legs are padded, also thick, soft things, but camel's legs also padded because you know that desert is full of thorn, cactus. Trees are for the cactus because there is a scarcity of the water. Okay, scarcity of water. So cactus can live there. Please listen to me. No need to write, beta. No need to write. So there is no normal tree. Only cactus are there. So thorns are there. So camel's legs are thick. So thorn cannot prick. Okay. That camel's legs are not pricked by thorns. The hot sun does not burn them. Lion, my feet are padded too. Thorns do not prick them. Here also. But I can run 80 kilometers an hour. Okay, beta, please. So, lions, my feet are padded too. Thorns do not prick and I can run. I can run 80 kilometers an hour. Camel, this is true. You can run 80 kilometers an hour, but in forest. But can you run even a mile on the hot sand? Maybe not, but camel, interruptingly means stopped in the middle. And can't you live without a water for a week? Can you? Then lion is telling, no, I can't. I need water every day. So I can't. I need water every day. But don't tell me you can do without water. Lion is telling, why? Can you live without water? Is it possible for any animal? Camel is, yes, I can. That is also wondering. There are no rivers and lakes in the desert. But that does not bother me. I can drink 200 bottles of water at the time. Lion, really? You must have a big stomach. Camel proudly, yes, I have a big stomach and I can store water for a week. And I can store food for 2 weeks even. Lion is really wondered. And I told all the animals are blessed by their qualities and blessed by God with their qualities. Why? Because look, camel is having padded foot, thick foot, and not only that, camel is having big stomach and at the same time a big hump. Hump means, you know that, and there it can store food for 2 weeks, for fortnight, 15 days. Camel, I don't. I store in my hump. I eat a lot of food at one time. Then I don't need to eat for a fortnight. So it is like that fortnight they don't need to eat. Oh, that's interesting. But what would you eat? I eat leaves. But there are no trees in a desert. What do you eat there? I told there are no leaves in the desert. And so what do you eat there? Who just... So, Anushka, please mute your microphone. Anushka, mute your microphone. So, here they are telling that the thorns don't prick my thick tongue. There are thorny bushes in the desert. I eat the thorns and the thorns don't prick my thick tongue. How funny! The king of the forest, please come with me to the desert. No, I'd rather not. I'd better not. I cannot walk on burning sand. I cannot store food and water, and I can't eat the thorns. Goodbye and good luck, Mr. Sheep of the desert. So here the moral of the story, whatever and wherever the animals are there, that is their right place. Fish, can they live without water? Penguin, if you are thinking I can buy a penguin and make it my pet, can it live without ice? And you cannot arrange ice here. So somebody is blessed with their placed by the God, some quality. Fortnight means not 14 days, 15 days, beta. After 15th days, it will be again another fortnight come. Okay. So it is like this. And here so many meanings are there. So please, those who are having, so our human beings also, everybody is having different qualities. Somebody can draw well, somebody can recite well, somebody can read well. So nobody is worried about another one qualities. Those who are having this quality, they should be satisfied and happy with their, okay. I means I would, okay, I would. Next, so I'll write the meaning. I means I would.
You give this class in YouTube.
Yes. So next we can write the meaning. First one, I can write the roar, R-O-A-R, roaringly, so roar, loud sound by lion or in lion. Then Next one, frowning, Frwning, frowning. Contract, brow, Brow, in displeasure. Next, blinking or bother, we can write bother. Affect, blinking, Blinking, blinking means moving eyelids. Moving eyelids.
Packet means
Packet, frowning means stop one by one. Contract brow in displeasure. Bhuru kochkano. Anushri, please tell in spelling. Padded, last day I told you, filled with soft things. Again I will tell. First, padded we are not coming. Please. I am writing disdain. No, please wait. Disdain. Disdain. Thinking unworthy. Unworthy. Thinking unworthy. Here I am just rubbing. Displeasure. You can see? Displeasure. Disdain, thinking unworthy. Padded, I am writing. Please write. Filled with soft thing. I'll write, then after if you are having any problem, please tell me. Then interrupt, Interrupt. Interrupt means stopped, stop in middle or disturb. Disturb. Next, disturb, Disturb. Next, down, unworthy, thinking unworthy, Unworthy, disdain, Disdain. 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 Then also then I cannot see anything. If you are having any problem, please ask me. Afrin, you cannot see the board. I don't know you are having any problem. I think net problem you are having. Anybody, any meaning, please tell me if you don't know now. Interrupt means I told no, stop in middle or disturb. I have already written. Then I think you are not having any problem. Please let me see who are in the class. Orindam Ghosh, Abhimanyu Garai, Aditi Singh, Afrin Tamanna, Oishi Ghosh, Aniruddha Goswami, Angshika Bhakot, Anusri. Just a minute. Orindam Bhakot, Vishwarup Murmu, Afroz Hossain, Daksha, Dhriti, Diksha, Dibyanka. Okay. Again, you will tell me. Who is asking that? Miles, M-I-L-E-S, miles is, I think you will read in the maths. Okay, it is a unit of unit of a road. They can measurement, unit of a measure, means length, unit of a length. How can they measure the road? M-I-L-E-S, miles. Any problem, please tell me, anybody, and please read the story today. Next day, I will ask, do you understand or not? Then I will write the question answer. Please read the story thoroughly. Any problem, please. Then bye, beta. Have a nice day. I'll give in the YouTube class. Please look at from this.